Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by powering the mouse and turning it into pairing mode. This is crucial because the Mac can only discover active devices. Next, open Apple menu and go to System Settings, then Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is toggled on. Once done, keep the mouse near your Mac and watch the Bluetooth device list for the mouse name. If the mouse has a dedicated pairing button, press it now. If it uses a switch and hold, follow the manufacturer timing so the Mac can detect it. You'll see the mouse appear in the Bluetooth list. Click its name, then press Connect or Pair. If a PIN appears, type it or confirm on screen. Most modern mice pair without a PIN, but some require a simple code. Once paired, open System Settings mouse to customize tracking speed, scrolling behavior, and button assignments so the device feels right. Make adjustments incrementally. Move the tracking slider, test a scroll, and remap a button if needed to streamline your workflow. You're finishing up by verifying the mouse stays connected and performs reliably. Check battery level and signal in Bluetooth settings. If the cursor lags, toggle Bluetooth off and on, or remove the device and pair it again. This often clears handshake problems. Make sure Mac OS is up to date, and if the manufacturer provides firmware tools, update the mouse firmware too. If issues persist, try a different USB receiver or Bluetooth adapter, because interference.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.